Hi guys, welcome to Kids. My name's Brit, I'm one of the Myobrace educators here at Kids, and this is our gorgeous dog Dexter, who comes and greets all of our beautiful kids. This is our wonderful waiting room. You can see we've got lots of colours and pictures all over the walls. We've got colouring in, we've got the Xbox, we've got iPads, and we've also got our Myobrace Activity Centre with our beautiful Paces tree. This is where we do all of our Myobrace activities with all the kids that come in for our Myobrace treatment. And if you come on through, I'll show you the chat room. This is where we go to see Sarah and check out for all of our appointments. Nice colourful room. And if I take you on down to Amy, she's going to talk to you all about our treatment room, guys.
Hi guys, my name's Amy and I'm also a Myobrace educator here at Kids. This is our care room. So this is where we come in and do some nice check and cleans on the kids. They get to sit in the nice pretty pink chair, TV on the roof so we can put some Netflix on and watch your favourite cartoon while we clean your teeth. If we move on to next door, so after we've checked and cleaned your teeth, you can come into the smile room. Once we move into the smile room, this is where we take photos of all the beautiful kids here. So against the grid, we take some nice face photos and we also take some teeth photos in here as well with some impressions and moulds of the teeth. So once you get your teeth cleaned, come on over to the smile room and take some nice photos of your beautiful faces.
So come on into Kids, guys. We can't wait to meet you soon.